So on this problem, you're trying to calculate 2 pair, and your issue is a very common one. The issue here, when you're accounting, you can see you did your first pair, then your second pair. And by doing it that way, you actually made this into a permutation. You said, for example, if you get a pair of aces, then a pair of queens, that would be different than getting a pair of queens then a pair of aces, which isn't true. That's not true. You want to take care of all of those things at the same time. Now, why you can get away with that with the last card, why we break them up the way we do, is because these things are distinguishable. These two different like the last card is made up of a single card. These are made up of two of a kind. So therefore, you do your two of a kind first, then you take care of the single card. But anytime you have something that would be kind of like a tie, this is made up of 2 cards, this is made up of 2 cards, you have to count them at the same time. So when we're taking care of our 2 pairs, the first thing we need to do is take care of what kind they are. Excuse me, not suits, but denomination. So out of our 13 denominations, to create our 2 pairs, how many different denominations are we going to need to use? 2 of them. So that right there, you can see you've kind of got that element right there and right there. You just take care of it at the same time. Out of our 13 suits, choose 2 different suits. Now everything you have is right. Out of the 4 cards for the first pair, choose 2 of them. Then out of the 4 cards for the second pair, choose 2 of them. Then for your last card, out of the 11 type denominations left, choose 1 of those, and out of the 4 cards, choose 1. That'll get you. And then your denominator is dead on. You got that part right. Okay. So the only mistake, really common mistake, is just you can't choose the denomination for your first pair, then the denomination for your second pair, because then you're ordering them. You just have to choose the denominations simultaneously. And there you go. That should fix it for you.